this is Ashika and welcome back to World of Art. So, in today's video, we will be making a very easy and beautiful wall hanging. So, let's see what all we need for the same. So, here I have taken a cardboard of 24 centimeter length and 17 centimeter breadth, and here a newspaper, then a pair of scissors, then a small paintbrush like this. Then we need 2 earbuds here. Actually we need one only, but I have taken 2 for an extra use. Then we can take a Fevistick or a Fevicol, and then we need paint colors. So we will be going to use black, yellow and dark green. So let's get started. So first of all, friends, we will cover the cardboard with the newspaper. So yes, friends, you can see I covered it with the newspaper like this. So at the back side, it is not necessary that you have to cover it completely because we are not going to show that. So yes, you can see it. So now we will make the newspaper sticks. So yes, friends, our newspaper sticks are ready. So here I have made 2 sticks longer and the 2 sticks are smaller than the longer ones. So now I will paint it, and I will paint it with the dark green color. So yes, friends, here you can see I have painted the newspaper sticks with dark green color. So yes, you can see it. Now I will make the tree on this cardboard. So yes, friends, you can see here I have drawn the tree trunks. Now we will make its flower. So for making the flower, we will take the earbud and we will take a little like this from the yellow color, and now we will start making its flowers. So yes friends, you can see I have made the flowers also, and our wall hanging is almost ready. So you can here also see I have made, to give a contrast, I have here made some yellow color flowers, flower petals also. So now we will just paste these green sticks as their borders and we are done. So yes friends, our wall hanging is ready. You can see it, and I have pasted on the wall and it is looking really beautiful. So yes friends, that's it for the video. Hope you all liked it, and if you liked it then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. And also comment down me below that do you like this? So friends, be safe at your home, and I hope you all are doing great at. So thank you friends, and keep safe. So bye bye.